Bob Vylan song, Country Back. We're in drop D tuning. Okay, so that gives us an open D chord. But that also means that, like, if we want to play an F chord, we play it at the 3rd fret. Alright, so that's what we're doing for this song. We're playing a lot on step. Sliding from 3 to 5. Just playing the top, the lowest 3 strings. Oh, and don't let anyone tell you it's because the low string is D. The D for drop D is devil. Alright, so we're going 3 to 5, a lot of that. And then we also go to the 8th. So after the first little, and then we go 6, 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 8, 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 6. Then when the vocals come in, it kind of goes to a little lower key. Keep your hand going at that, like, I don't know what it is, the 8th or 16th, but keep that hand going. No matter what your fret hand is doing, keep your pick hand moving, and then just, if you have to, just mute them. It may take you some to stop, in the stop this way, but you'll get it. And then I think at the end they go like double time. So, and then they just stay on the 5. You can just hammer on to the 8 and the 6 from the 5. Just move your whole hand up to 5. 8 with your pinky, 6 with your middle finger. Alright, that's Bob Vylan, cool song. Heard you want your country back. Thanks for watching. Bye. Drop D tuning.